Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where you learn everything. Today I'm walking you through how to fix a car wheel in just 7 easy steps. Doesn't matter if you're a DIY pro or this is your first time picking up a lug wrench, by the end of this video you'll be handling flat tires like a champ. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts. Grab your lug wrench and break those nuts loose while the car's still on the ground. Remember, star pattern always. That keeps the pressure even and prevents wheel damage. Step 2. Jack up the car. Slide that jack under your car at the recommended lift point and crank it up until your flat tire is off the ground. Don't skip the jack stands. Your safety comes first, always. Step 3. Time to remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. Go ahead and take those nuts all the way off, pull the tire straight out and set it aside. Quick tip, take a second to inspect the wheel hub and brake rotor. If you spot any debris or damage, clean it out before moving on. Now, Step 4. Install the spare tire. Line it up with the studs and push it onto the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts just enough to hold the tire in place. Make sure it's sitting nice and snug, centered on the hub. Step 5. Tighten the lug nuts. Use your lug wrench to snug up the nuts in that same star pattern. Don't crank them down just yet. Just get them tight enough so the wheel's secure. On to Step 6. Lower the car. Carefully bring it back down to the ground. Remove the jack stands and make sure your car's stable before you finish up. Finally, Step 7. Final tightening and check. With the car on the ground, grab your lug wrench and tighten those nuts as much as you can, still in that star pattern. Double check your spare's tire pressure. No one likes surprises on the road. And there you have it. You just fixed your car wheel in 7 easy steps. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY car repair tips. Smash that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.